In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text on Wix. Whether you're adding a bit of flair to your website or conveying important information in a dynamic way, scrolling text can do just the trick. It's not only eye-catching, but also a great way to keep your visitors engaged. So, let's dive in and get started on creating that moving text effect for your Wix site. First things first, head over to the Wix website. If you've got your browser open, type in wix.com and hit enter. You'll arrive at the Wix homepage. Here, you'll either want to log in if you already have an account or sign up to get started if you're new to Wix. The login process is straightforward. Just click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password if you're an existing user, or go through the easy sign-up steps if you're joining us for the first time. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your existing project if you already have a site in the works. If not, this is the perfect time to create a new one. You can do this by selecting the option that suits your needs on your dashboard. Whether starting fresh or building on an existing site, make sure to have your design ready so that the scrolling text complements your overall website theme. Now, let's add that scrolling text. Look for the plus button, which represents Add. You'll typically find it on the left side of the editor. When you click on the plus button, a menu of elements you can add to your website should appear. Scroll through this list until you find the Embed in Social section, and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. Next, select the Embed Code option. This feature allows you to input custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippets into your website. It's a versatile tool that opens up a world of possibilities for customization. Clicking this option should open up a code editor panel where you can type or paste your code. Now, let's get your scrolling text set up. Paste your HTML code into the code editor. If you don't have a code snippet on hand, some simple HTML and CSS can help you create a basic scrolling effect. Just make sure your code is correct and reflects the style and speed you want for your text. And there you have it. You've successfully created scrolling text on your Wix site. Make sure to preview how it looks and ensure everything is functioning properly before publishing your changes. With these steps, you now have the skills to keep your website visitors engaged with dynamic scrolling text. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!